Thank you for joining to our channel today. Today we're going to be replacing an O2 sensor on a 2006 Lincoln Mark LT. It's going to be sensor 2, which is past the Cadillac converter. Sensor 1, bank 1 is up there on the passenger side. Bank 1 is going to be on your passenger side. Bank 2 is going to be on your driver's side. There's sensor 1, sensor 2. So all you got to do is come back here, pull it from that plug, which I already did. What I normally do to keep a tight fit, sometimes I use an O2 socket, but I normally just cut the wires and get a 7/8 wrench, put the box in over here, and take another wrench to break it loose, and so we don't strip it out or break it. So all we got to do now is take this sensor out. Take it out. There's what it looks like. Now all we got to do is just put the sensor back in, which we're going to go over here. Lay that there. Come back over here. Grab my box. Open it. There's what the new one looks like. It's a walker. This one's downstream. I guess I should have had it out of the bag already, but I don't. All right, there is sensor 2, downstream. What we're gonna do is just pull this little cap off, like that. Stick it up on here, like that. Stick it in the hole. It already has anti-seize on it. Normally, I coat them with anti-seize, but this one already had it on there. All right, we got it in there. We'll grab our 7/8 wrench. All right, give me 1 second. All right, we're back. I misplaced the 7/8 wrench, but we're gonna take it and tighten it up with the open end. Just like that. Tighten it up. Take our wire, run it up through there. Back to this back here. Gotta have both hands for this. Give me 1 second. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. I had to use both hands to get that connector in there. But just make sure it snaps in there and don't pulls off. And that's all you gotta do. Please subscribe if you like this video.